Day 1, Pune to Surat, 24 June 2023. There are two routes, one from Mumbai, one from Nashik. I chose the Nashik one to avoid the Mumbai traffic. I quickly had my tea and jumped onto my bike. We started at 7 o'clock in the morning. We had just made it to the cantonment area, heading towards Mumbai. We are in Phugewadi. इससे थोड़ा सा आगे जाके we have to connect to the bridge that goes towards Nashik. यहाँ से दो diversions आते हैं. One goes to Mumbai and the other one goes to Nashik. So in case you are traveling from Pune to Surat, then remember to take this bridge if you are taking the Nashik route. Very close to that bridge now, and yes, this is the diversion. If you see, there is a small board over there which gives you the diversion of Mumbai and Nashik. So we will take the Nashik bridge, and यहाँ से connecting to the highway we will get a little bit of traffic. But once we are on the highway, I think it will be a smooth sail from there. We are around Chakan and just look at the traffic. The advantage of having a bike is this is like off-roading, but the traffic is quite crazy. Okay, so it's been more than 30 minutes और ट्रैफिक में कुछ भी सुधार नहीं हुआ है. We've been moving at this pace only, and पता चला कि सैटरडे को चाकन गांव में बाज़ार लगता है, and every Saturday this is the situation. मैंने बॉम्बे का रूट नहीं लिया सोच करके दिस रोड विल बी क्लियर एंड बॉम्बे में ट्रैफिक मिलेगी, बट ये थोड़ा सा उल्टा ही हो चुका है. Finally we have some open roads and open skies where we can open the throttle, pick up some pace. Look at the beautiful view, man. This is just amazing. At this another beautiful road. So I just saw यहाँ से Nashik is 160 kilometers. We just crossed Chakan. तो यहाँ से हम जाएंगे मोसी वगैरह कवर करते हुए towards Nashik, and I'm guessing that it's going to be these beautiful views all along. तो अभी एक स्लोप है, and love these patches of slopes. यहाँ सामने माउंटेन दिख रहा है connected to the skies, and then you have birds on top of that, which is too much fun. Accident हुआ है. They're trying to oh shit. Okay, तो currently we are in Nashik. अभी नासिक से I have to find the route to Surat. This was a little confusing. हम लोग ने नासिक सर्कल से राइट लिया है and there are no directions clearly mentioned for Gujarat. So we will have to be careful with the route. I have Google Maps on my helmet speaker. अभी यहाँ से सीधा ही जाना है. This is a little bit of Nashik. Nice painting on the wall. The weather was very hot actually abhi, just 5 minutes ago, and now suddenly it's become a lot better. I think there are a lot of clouds, so I hope it continues to be this way because the heat is now making me very tired. And every trip में एक ये feeling आती है at some point when you get very tired and you feel sleepy, and at that point you feel, yeah, why did I get out of the house on the bike? I could have just slept in on my comfortable bed and watched TV and just relaxed. But hopefully now that feeling will go away very soon once we hit the highway and again start to enjoy some beautiful views. So this is a signal, so let's just wait and continue the ride. Okay, so now I have seen the board for Surat. Surat is straight Valsad Surat सीधा है यहाँ से, तो hopefully this is connected to the highway and soon we will be on route to Surat. So now we have connected to National Highway 848. अभी यहीं पे we have to continue for another 100 kilometers, and hopefully once we cover this we will be in Surat. Okay, so that is the fort, Ramshed Fort, built on top of the mountain. पता नहीं ऊपर कहाँ से जाना है, but there was one gate पीछे, but looks quite interesting. Took a short break for some quick refreshments. Okay, so it looks like it's time for twisties and an amazing view. Look at that. So now we are on the other side of the mountain. और जो वहाँ से दिख रहा था अभी हम उसी माउंटेन पे हैं. Okay, I think ये हाईवे कंटिन्यू होगा 164 किलोमीटर and will directly reach Surat. Okay, not bad. Was feeling very sleepy. तो अभी एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लिया है. This is the road, this is the bike, this is the setup that we have, and beautiful open view, nice weather. And weather बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा हो जाए तो प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि नींद आने शुरू हो जाती है, जो मुझे हो रही है प्रॉब्लम. But anyways, I'll do a little bit of stretching and then I'll be back on my way. So now I'm near Vapi and the weather is quite nice, but it's drizzling. And highway is pretty decent. ये पूरे हाईवे में मुझे कहीं भी एक रेस्टोरेंट नहीं दिखा. So in case you're coming from this route, I would suggest if you're planning to eat something, eat in Nashik, क्योंकि नासिक क्रॉस करने के बाद जब हाईवे आ जाएगा तो वहाँ पे खाने के लिए कुछ ऑप्शंस नहीं होंगे ज़्यादा. So a quick update on the mileage of the bike. So if you notice, मैंने जब रिफ़िल कराया था तब से अब तक आई हैव डन 315 किलोमीटर्स एंड एवरेज मुझे मिला है 33.2 एंड स्पीड एवरेज स्पीड मेंटेन की हमने 60 की एंड इसके अलावा 315 हो चुके हैं. वी स्टिल हैव अनदर 140 का रेंज एज़ पर द बाइक एंड अभी मुझे लो फ्यूल का इंडिकेशन आया तो आई जनरली डोंट वेट फॉर टू लॉन्ग. जैसे इंडिकेशन आता तो मैं रिफ़िल करा लेता हूँ. बट ऑन दिस बाइक यू कैन ईज़िली गेट रेंज ऑफ 400 किलोमीटर्स एटलीस्ट एंड अगर आप और अच्छे से चलाएंगे तो यू कैन ऑल्सो गेट इट अप टू 450 किलोमीटर्स. सो क्विक अपडेट, बीच में सूरत वापी क्रॉस कर लिया है. सूरत पहुंचने के लिए थोड़ा कन्फ्यूजन हो रहा था. अभी आई थिंक दिस इज़ द रूट. ये कोई विलेज है शायद, यहाँ इंटरनेट भी नहीं है एंड आई जस्ट फ्यूल्ड अप some time back. Petrol prices in Gujarat are 96 as compared to around 105 in Pune in Maharashtra. So that was pretty good. I checked Google Maps, it's showing around 1.5 hours, so let's see how soon we can reach, but I think this should connect to the main highway. And I think जब बॉम्बे से आते हैं तो you get a very good highway. I think it's a 8-lane highway and you can cruise at a very decent speed. But यहाँ पे it's 2-lane and it's going through villages, so that is a little bit of a downside. So I'm planning that when I go back, I will use that highway and I will go via Mumbai because anyways अगर मैं वहाँ सूरत से ही निकलूँगा वापस ज़्यादा टाइम भी. तो सूरत से if I leave even at around 8 in the morning, तो मुंबई क्रॉस करते टाइम I don't think there will be traffic because I will be going during non-office hours, so hopefully it should work out that way. So finally I reached my hotel at around 5 p.m. Ate at Surat restaurant near the station. Had an ice cream at Ikson near the station again. Then I roamed a little bit around the station, which was very chaotic and very noisy. So I head back to the hotel to get some rest and get ready for day 2. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for day 2.